Hey guys! I'm going to show you the best air fryers on the market and how to choose which one to buy for your needs. There are so many on the market, it can be hard to find out which one is best for you and what features it has. I'm going to review 3 of the top-rated air fryers of 2023. Air fryers are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the air fryer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Gourmia Air Fryer Oven Digital Display 7-quart Large Air Fryer Cooker 12-touch cooking presets. Gourmia is the #1 best-selling air fryer brand in the USA in 2022. Gourmia delivers value and quality you can trust for your home essentials. The perfect kitchen cooking gadget, multi-cooker combo electric oven for French fries, wings, fish fryer, bacon, seafood, vegetables, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, toaster, reheat, and keep warm plus 12 one-touch digital presets that deliver the best results. 20% larger cooking capacity, size matters. XL Large Air Fryer 7-quart basket can fit whole meals so you only need to cook once. Healthiest way 2 FRY, all of the flavor and none of the guilt. Fat removal technology in the air fryer basket removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process. Dishwasher safe, cook fast and clean fast. Quick and easy cleanup, air fryer accessories go straight into the dishwasher for cleaning, bringing convenience to your kitchen must-haves cook modes. Comprehensive warranty, all Gourmia appliances include a 1-year comprehensive international warranty for your peace of mind. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 4-Cutie Air Fryer Oven. 6-in-1 functionality, air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake and reheat. Even crisp technology, advanced technology that drives airflow top down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. One-touch smart programs, customizable programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns and more. Fast preheating, little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create gourmet meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy cleanup, non-stick, dishwasher safe air fry basket and tray. Compact design and stainless steel accents, perfectly combines function and style in a countertop-friendly size. Discover amazing recipes. Download our free Instant Pot app, so you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals, available iOS and Android. Safety features, built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto-off and more to keep your mind at ease. A kitchen must-have, perfect for quick delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, wings and more. Great addition to any kitchen, perfect for 2 to 3 servings. Number 3. GoWise USA 5.0 quart 1500 watt digital air fryer with 8 presets. Healthier cooking in 30 minutes or less. Thanks to rapid air technology, you can now experience your favorite food without the extra calories. This air fryer can fry, bake, grill and roast with little to no oil. Modern look, sleek and modern look with advanced touchscreen menu. Take the guesswork out of cooking with the built-in touchscreen menu featuring 8 cooking presets: fries/chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza. Equipped with a wide temperature range from 180°F to 400°F in 10-degree increments and a cooking timer up to 30 minutes. PFOA-free, comes with a non-stick and PFOA-free air fry pan and basket with a cool touch handle and a removable crisper tray. Recipe book included, includes 50 recipes specifically made for GoWise USA air fryers. Get started today with 50 step-by-step recipes to explore all that your new kitchen gadget has to offer. Hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you click down below. Subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell.